Alright, so hi everyone. I hope you guys can see me and you guys can listen me. Fine. Let us start with today's session. Okay, before I proceed, can you please confirm if you can see me, if you can listen me clearly, my voice is clear, so that we can start with our today's lecture. Let me see whether you have access to have a chat. Yes, I can see everything is fine. Okay. Okay, before I proceed, please confirm me once if you guys can hear me. Can you please use the chat option and let me know if everything looks fine? Yes, okay. Okay, so before I proceed, if you are listening me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankush Thaudi, and I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. I'm having 10 plus years of experience working with the IT industry. Previously, I worked with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, LTI, and some other companies. Okay. Um, in this 10 plus years of experience, which is almost 1 decade, I got an experience to work with the multiple technologies like Oracle DBA, data engineer, PostgreSQL, and cloud side, and multiple other technologies I have seen. Okay, so I spent a lot of time working with the different projects and everything. Now, what we will do, we'll start with the Oracle RAC. So, what is Oracle RAC? What is the importance of Oracle RAC? All these things we are going to learn with our today's lecture. First of all, why we should learn RAC? What is the reason behind that? Why we should start learning about the RAC? See, those people who are working as a Oracle DBA, the very first thing that I want to tell you that if you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, then do not directly go to the Oracle RAC. If you are coming here and if you want to start your career into the Oracle RAC, and you guys are thinking that can I directly start learning about the Oracle RAC, I would say no. Don't join our Oracle RAC classes directly. First of all, you should have a knowledge about the Oracle DBA. So the people who are joining with us, okay, the people who are joining with us, maybe they have some basic understanding about the Oracle DBA. What is Oracle DBA? What are their responsibilities? I'm expecting that you people know everything. Those people who are coming for the first time and seeing me live for the first time, my recommendation to you is first start learning about the Oracle DBA. And if you are thinking that okay, now you have a knowledge about the Oracle Core DBA, then you can start learning about the Oracle RAC, which is Oracle Real Application Cluster. Without knowledge of Oracle DBA, RAC is something which is not going to understand by you. So if you are listening me for the first time, join our Oracle DBA classes and then join our Oracle RAC. Now let's come back to the understanding of Oracle RAC. What is Oracle RAC and why we should start learning about the RAC? See, RAC is something which is very important. Not only in terms of technical skill set, it is very important because if you want to get a good package as a Oracle DBA, you should have a skill set available in your resume, and that is Oracle RAC. Nowadays, if you are going for any interview, like many companies, I have also worked personally. My students are working with multiple companies. They are also going for an interview. Whenever people are going for an interview, the first question will be based on the Oracle RAC only. They will say that, boss, do you know about the Oracle RAC? The first question will be like, do you know about the Oracle RAC or not? If you say no, the impression will be down. The first impression is always the last impression, right? If you say that okay, my resume is saying that I have a knowledge about the Oracle RAC, then okay, then they will proceed like okay, let's start with the Oracle RAC and all. Many times there is a chances that the project may not have a Oracle RAC in their environment, But even though they don't have a Oracle rack, they will start asking, they will start asking about the, they will start asking about the Oracle rack only. So if you want to increase your area or scope of Oracle DBA, then start adding the Oracle rack in your resume. That is very important, guys. That is the reason we should start learning about the Oracle rack. Many people are saying us that like, boss, sir, my package is very low. I'm not able to get big package because the latest technologies is not available. The latest technologies are not available inside your resume. You should start adding the Oracle rack also. It's not like just you have a knowledge about Oracle core DBA technology, you have understanding about the core DBA and you are done. No, not like that. You need to understand about the advanced part of Oracle DBA, and that is rack. So if you want good knowledge, if you want a good package, if you want the number of companies which will hire you at the maximum level, then you should definitely start learning about the Oracle rack. So is it compulsory for the freshers to understand about the Oracle rack? That will be a question in your mind. If you are a fresher, I would suggest, even though if you don't have a knowledge about Oracle rack, that is fine. But the person who is coming with 2 years of experience or gap, go for Oracle rack. Again, I'm saying directly do not join Oracle rack classes, even do not with Learnmate also. I'm telling you. First, you should be having a knowledge about Oracle DBA and then start learning about the Oracle rack. Okay, that's the same thing. Now let us try to understand in terms of technical skills, like why we need rack. What is the importance of rack? Okay, one point is very clear that okay, we need the rack because in terms of package, in terms of the number of companies which are looking for Oracle DBA, they need rack. But what is rack? The question will be there in your mind that what is rack? Let us try to understand. For that, I need to share my screen. But before I proceed, just wanted to check. Can you please confirm me whether whatever things we have discussed, are you able to understand in the chat options? Whatever things I have discussed related to the career and all, can you please confirm me whether you are able to understand? Raj is saying yes, Mahesh is saying yes, Chetan is saying yes, Navneet is saying yes, Siva is saying yes, Akshay is saying yes, Sagar is saying yes, Puneet is saying yes, Supriya is saying yes, Abhishek is saying yes, yes. Okay, everyone. Okay, so the session is also available on the YouTube. So on YouTube side also I can see then Sai is saying yes, Murli is there, Sandeep is there, okay, Kashmira, okay, Kannu, okay, Anjali, all right. Okay, so I see everyone is able to understand. Fine. Let me start and talking about Oracle rack. This is a black screen which I like very much, and let's talk about the Oracle rack. See, when we were talking about the Oracle DBA, now if you see the Oracle database architecture, the basic Oracle DBA architecture, which is like a single instance database architecture, I'm talking about single instance. When I'm using a single instance database architecture, we were having a server. On the top of that server, my database instance was running. So this is my database instance which was running, and this database instance was connected to my database. Under this database, my files are available, like my SP file, control files, data files, archive log, including your password file. All these files are available inside my database. So this database instance is the part of your memory. It's a part of my memory, and this database is the part of my storage part. This is the part of my storage. Okay, now what will happen? Let's say if the user one want to connect, let's say there is a user one, he's saying that, boss, I want to connect to my Oracle database. He's saying that I want to connect. Let's say this is a application user. He's saying that I want to connect to the database. So what he will do, he will enter his user ID, password, and he will get connected to the database instance. And then he is going to fire a command like select star from EMP. He want to access the data from the EMP table. I'm talking about the single instance. Okay, this is all single instance database architecture. Now when he is saying that I want to select a data from the EMP table, the query will be processed under the database instance. Here the processing part will be done, like your syntax check, semantic check, optimizer will create execution plan. Everything will be done inside the memory, and finally it will retrieve a data from your database. So where is your processing part is going to be happen? Under the database instance, which is my node. So we have a node means a server, or we can call it as a machine. We have a node. Under that node we have a database instance. Under that database instance my query will be processed, and finally the data will be coming from your database. That's how the normal architecture works, correct? Now here is a problem. The problem is, if my node is running, if my node or this machine is running, my database instance is running, correct? I cannot directly go and attack to the database. No, I cannot directly go and here. No, that's not possible. I need to go to the database instance level only. Now this database instance is completely rely on your server. If this server is up and running, your database instance will be up and running, correct? Now what happened by any chance? If someone shut down the node or shut down the server, if someone shut down this server, what will happen? If someone shut down this server, your database instance will be getting down. Your database will be down, correct? And if your database instance is not running, your database will not work. Then do you think that this user will be able to connect to the database? No. And this is a single instance database architecture. We have a single instance, and if you want this single instance to be up and running, your server should be up and running. And if your server goes down, what will happen? Your instance will go down. And if your instance goes down, your database will go down. That's a problem. That's a problem with single instance. Guys. What is the problem? You are completely rely on single instance. What if I have a multiple instance? Now instead of this single instance, I'm talking about the Oracle RAC. Oracle RAC. In Oracle RAC, what will happen? You will have a multiple instance will be there. How many instance? Multiple. I'm just talking about 2 instances now. So 2 servers. So I will have node number 1, node number 2. Earlier I was having a single instance. So instance 1 was running from here. Now I am having 2 node. So I will have 2 instance will be there. Instance number 1, instance number 2. But both the instance are connected to single database only here. So instance 1 will be connecting from here, instance 2 will be connecting from here. And this is a database where my database related files are available. SP file, control files, data files, archive log, all these files are available over here, including your password file, okay, which are required to run your Oracle database. Now what Oracle RAC is saying, do not depending on your single instance. You can have a multiple instance. I'll tell you one example. Let's say this is my mobile phone where I'm getting some junk call. Now you can see my screen. I'm getting some junk call. Now assume that by any chance, okay, if this mobile phone got damaged because of certain reason, maybe there is a fight in between me and my wife. उसने फेंक दिया मोबाइल को. So you throw out the mobile. So what will happen? I should have a backup, right? I should have a backup, correct? So if I'm having a two mobile phone, what will happen? Even though if I'm not able to access my first phone, I can access my second phone, right? I can access my second phone. That's what I can do, right? That's what I can do, correct? So in the single instance, there is a very big problem. What is the problem? I am completely depending on this particular node only, single node. And inside this node, my database instance is running. If any one of the DBA, he shut down this database instance because of certain problem, by any chance there is a issue, or by any mistake he shut down this database instance, I will not be able to access my database. This is the problem with single instance. We have fixed this problem by using the Oracle RAC, and in Oracle RAC, this Oracle RAC provide you very wonderful feature, and that feature we call it as a high availability. What is this feature provided by the Oracle RAC? High availability. What is this high availability? High availability means if my phone number one lost because of any issue, I still have another phone which I can use, because this phone is very important for me. I'm running the company, right? If I'm running the company, my mobile phone is very important for me. If I lost my first phone, I need my second phone. I need high availability, means my database should be up and running. How much? 24/7 without any downtime. That is what I need. And this high availability is possible with the help of software. We called it as a Oracle RAC, RAC, real. It's a real application and cluster. So what will happen here? In a real application cluster, you can have a multiple node, like I can have a node number 1 and I can have node number 2. I can have multiple nodes also here like this, okay? On every node, my database instance will be up and running. My database instance will be up and running. And these two instances are connected to my database here. Now, by any chance, if my instance 1 goes down, by any chance, if my complete node goes down, node means a server, you consider that a complete server goes down, still I have a server from where my users can connect. The users can connect from the instance number 2 and they can access the data. Remember one thing, that this database where my SP file, control files, data files are shared in between your node instance 1 and instance 2. So instance 1 and instance 2 are accessing a same database. We do not have a separate database over here. My instance 1 and instance 2 have a shared database. So these database related files you can access from node 1 and you can access from node 2 also. That is called high availability feature provided by the Oracle RAC. So if my instance 1 goes down, still I can access my database. Still I can access this database from the instance number 2. I can do that. Who has provided this feature? Oracle. What is that feature? We called it as a Oracle RAC. Now, how many servers I am having? How many servers I am having? I am having a multiple server. How many servers I am having? I am having multiple servers. I don't have a single server. I have multiple servers. So do you think that when I'm using a multiple server, is it free of cost? When I'm using a multiple server, is it free of cost? If I'm using one laptop, or if I'm using a two laptop, and two laptop cost you need to bear, right? So RAC is a costly setup. It's a costly setup. That is the reason every database will not have a RAC. Only the application from where you are getting a lot of money. Only the application from where you are getting a lot of money will be used for the Oracle RAC environment. Because here, see, when you are purchasing a server, it's not like you will get that server within 10 rupees or 20 rupees. You need to spend a lot of money. The client will spend that money. So rack is a high availability feature, and that is provided by the Oracle rack. Did you understand, guys? The things which I discussed till now, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and say yes or no is also fine. But can you please let me know, are you able to understand till now whatever things I have discussed? Is it clear? Okay, so Mahesh is saying yes, Srinivas is saying yes, Nitin is saying yes, Mahadev is saying yes, Siva is saying yes, Murli is saying yes, Sheetal is saying yes, Sandeep is saying yes, Sai is saying yes, Navneet is saying yes, Shekhar is saying yes, Omkar is saying yes, Sagar is saying yes, Nikhil is saying yes, Chiranjeev is saying yes, Indu is saying yes. Fine. All right. Say yes, 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 yes. Okay. Great. So the first feature, and because of that we are using this, the first feature, and because of that we are using this Oracle rack is high availability. High availability. I know that my people are not able to access my Zoom because my most of the people has joined here. I have a limit on my Zoom and the limit has been crossed. So those people who are not able to access this session from the beginning by any chance, you can visit our YouTube channel. Okay. And this is available on our YouTube channel also. By any chance, if you are not able to join our live sessions, go to our YouTube channel, guys. Don't worry, today's session is also available on YouTube, so go here and you can join from here also. Okay, I'll just share the link. So if you go here, the today's session is also available on the YouTube. Okay, by any chance if you join late, I know that limit has been crossed, so you can join from here also. Okay, no, that there is no problem, you can join from live from here also. And since I'm here, if you are listening me for the first time, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Okay, I have shared you the link of my YouTube channel in the chat option, so you guys can definitely go here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will definitely see a lot of things over here. Okay, so we are quite good till now about the high availability of feature. Second important feature provided by the Oracle rack, we call it as a load balancing. So what is mean by load balancing? Anyone want to try what is mean by load balancing in the chat options? What is mean by load balancing? What do you think? Just give a try, there is no problem. You can give a try, okay? What is mean by load balancing? What do you think? Just give a try, guys, okay? There is nothing wrong giving a try. What is mean by load balancing? Okay, what do you think? What is mean by load balancing? Okay, someone is saying if the load is high in node 1, it will be transferred to node 2. Mahesh is saying distributing the load across the load like DB session, sharing the load. Narendra is saying split the number of connections between different nodes, easily access the data from the database. Great. Great, man. You people are able to understand very well. Easily access the data. Nice. So you people are very strong in Oracle rack, Oracle DB. Very nice. I'll give you an example. See, assume a situation that let's say I'll take one example of single instance only. Okay, first of all, let's say this is my node where my database instance is running. Okay, and this is connected to my database where my database related files are available. Correct, na? Now when you have a database instance is running, okay, to this database you are going to allocate some memory, and that memory we called it as a SGA, system global area. So basically this is consuming all the resources from your particular node only. So I have this node, to this node I have allocated some resources, and among that resources the some of the resources will be allocated to your database instance. So let's say you have allocated some memory, some CPUs, some storage. So according to this resources what you allocate to the database instance, I am assuming that 1000 users can create a session. So 1000 session can connect to the Oracle database. Gradually what happened, the client is saying that my business is growing like anything. My business is expanding. This 1000 sessions, the 1000 sessions are not enough, which is, captured by this database instance. Can you guys hear me now? I'm really sorry. My Arey, can you guys hear me now? I'm sorry. Actually, my um, okay, internet got disconnected. Now it's fine. Okay, I'm back now. Okay. So I was talking about the concept. I was coming back to the concept of load balancing. So in a single instance database, if you take the example of single instance, in a single instance database, you will have a database instance which is connected to my database, correct? Now what will happen, let's say to this database we have allocated some memory, and according to this memory you can have 1000 sessions which can connect to my Oracle database. So in order to make you understand, I was taking the example of mobile phone. When my mobile phone is new, that time the performance of my mobile phone will be very good, initially when you are purchasing a new mobile phone. But as soon as you are starting loading too much of data, as soon as you are installing so many apps, phone pay, Google Pay, Instagram, Facebook, then you will find that the performance of your mobile phone is not up to the mark. The slowly performance is getting down. Similar way, when your database is empty, then the performance of your database will be really good. But as soon as you are loading too much of data inside your database instance, then you will find that the slowly my database is getting slower. Slowly it's the performance of my database is not up to the mark. It's very slow. And in this world we need everything fast. You take an example of your shorts, Insta reels. Those days went where I was creating a video for 1 hour, 30 minutes, 10 minutes. People were liking that initially, the 90s people. But if you take the example of 2000 kids, they are not interested to watch 1 minute of video also. They need 30 seconds of reels. 30 seconds of reel. Very impatient. You might be agree with me. It means to say that I need my database performance should be 24 across 7 up and running. That is the first thing. Second thing is it should be very fast also. The performance should be up to the mark, very quick. I need my performance to be, see, if I'm going to the ATM, I need the cash to be withdrawn quickly. If I'm going to the Amazon to purchase some gift for my girlfriend, I need the things which I want to bought, it should be quickly. The transfer should be done quickly because she is having a birthday by 12 o'clock. If I'm starting by 11:58, it should be done in 2 minutes. The performance should be up to the mark. And if you're going to the Amazon, if nothing is happening, it's just loading. Before you call, someone will call. It's done, gone. It's a problem. The performance should be up to the mark. So here in a single instance, if you see here that only 1000 people can connect to my database at a time, but let's say my client is saying that the number of users are 2000 now, this database will be completely down. Not down, it will be slow, very slow. So what you will do, can we have Oracle RAC environment? In Oracle RAC, what we will do, I'm going to, in Oracle RAC, I'm going to install multiple node which is connected to my database. This database is available in the shared storage, so node 1 and node 2, where my database related files are there, SP file, control files, data files. This is my database. Then what is the next thing? Where my database instance number 1 is running, this is the where my instance number 2 is running. Now when 1000 people, let's say the 1000 people are connecting to my database, first of all the 500 people will connect from the node number 1, which is my node 1, and node number 2, the remaining 5000 people will come. Now this instance will consume the resources of node number 1, not from node number 2, because every node have their own resources. It means this node will have their own CPU, own RAM, own storage also. This node will have their own CPU, own RAM, own storage also. So it is going to consume the resources from this particular node. And RAC have a mechanism that is called load balancing. RAC have a mechanism to load the balance. It will balance your load. It means if user 1 is saying that I want to connect to my database, if see at the end his destination is database only. If user 1 is saying that I want to connect to my database, your Oracle RAC will check which node is having less load. It means whether instance number 1 is free or instance number 2 is free. Who is free? So the person who is free, it will route that connection to that particular instance. So if he is running any command like select, insert, update, delete, whatever he is doing, he is going to consume the resources on that particular node only. It means if 2000 people are also coming, there is a chances that 1000 people will connect to the node 1, 1000 people will connect from the node 2. You are balancing now, right? You are balancing everything. That is called load balancing. The first feature which we have understood about the Oracle RAC is high availability. The second important feature, the first important feature we discuss is high availability. My database should be up and running 24/7. The second feature which we understand about the Oracle RAC is load balancing. These are the two most important feature of Oracle RAC. Most important feature I'm saying. These are the two most important feature of your Oracle RAC. Are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option and confirm me once whether you are able to understand? Can you please use the comment section and let me know, or chat options? Can you please confirm me whether you are able to understand? See, if you are understanding that, let me know. Because of that only I'll get the confidence that okay, you people are understanding, and I'll get the confidence. Okay. Oh man, fine. So Navneet is saying yes. So okay, now he's saying yes, Omkar is saying yes, Narinder is saying yes, Mahesh is saying yes, Shafiq is saying yes, Vijay is saying yes, Srinivas is saying yes. Okay. So there is a form which is available in the chat options. I would request everyone to fill up the form, which is attendance form. Okay, I would request everyone to fill up this form. I have The form is available in the chat options. Please fill up this form. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Please fill up the form. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Please fill up the form. Please fill up the form. It's available in the chat options. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, and we will continue this. Apart from this, we have a number available in the chat options. You can call to this number. We have numbers available from the support team. You can call to this number, and if you are looking for a rack training, which we are starting from today only, so it's been a long time, the people were asking for rack training. So last batch we have taken, I think in Feb, I think, or maybe December, I don't remember. And now this is a new batch which we are starting. So we are starting this new batch of Oracle rack. Those people who are interested to join this Oracle rack environment, and that is a practical base. Again, I'm telling you, you might have already gone through my Oracle DBA videos from the YouTube channel, or maybe from my paid training also. So we are starting this Oracle rack. So those people who are interested, you can call to the number which is available in the chat options. But please fill up this form. Okay, if you are not interested for paid training, that's not a problem, but please fill up this form. Okay, and let me know if you guys are able to fill. Okay, I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay, and we'll continue this. Don't worry, the form is available in the chat options. Please do that. Fine. Okay, can we start now? All right. Now since this rack environment is also helping you to improve the performance of your Oracle database. This rack environment is also helping you to increase the performance of your Oracle database. So there will be a question in your mind that how. Okay, see, normally in real-time production environment, the mostly problem is about the performance only. Now let's say I have a single instance database. Okay, let's say I have a single instance database, and normally what happened, everyone will connect from to this database instance only. Everyone, like user 1, user 2, user 3, everyone will connect to the database instance only. So there is a user 1, he is doing select statement. There is a user 2, he is doing update, delete, insert. Everyone is doing the same thing only. Everyone is doing from here. Now there is a chances that user 1 got connected and user 2 is also connected. User 3 is not getting resources. See, he also want to do some insert or update or delete. Whenever you are performing any operations, it required a resources to execute that resource. When I say a word called resources, it means it's a memory, CPU, everything. Okay, the resources is required, but now we have a people. The problem is that we have a lot of transactions. Actually, we have a lot of transactions which are running on my single instance database. So everyone is not getting the resources. Even if you are starting the RMAN job or export job, your export or RMAN job will take a time to execute it. It will take a time because it required resources, and resources are not available. The resources are consumed by some other people. Now since we discuss about the load balancing, so what will happen, some people will connect from node 1, some people will connect from node 2. It means your resources are also distributed. Here let's say you allocated 200 GB of SGA, and here also you allocate 200 GB of SGA. It means some people will use this one, some people will use this. The people who are connecting to the node 2, they will use the resources of node 2 only. They will not use the resources of node 1. It means there is We have a set of people connecting to the node 1, we have a set of people connecting to the node 2. The people are connecting from different nodes. Because of that only what will happen, because of that only what will happen, it will increase the performance of your, it will increase or it will improve the performance of your jobs which are running on your Oracle RAC environment. Because now everyone is not doing everything on the single node, we have a multiple nodes are there, we have multiple nodes are there. It means your resources has been distributed among the number of people who are connecting to the different node. You are connecting to the different node. That is also one of the important, improve the performance. Another important feature provided by the Oracle RAC is scalability also. Scalability. What is meant by scalability? What is meant by scalability? I'm having a single node. Let's say I'm having a single node. My number of users has been increased. My business is increasing. I will add one more node. Again, my number of users are increasing. I will add one more node. It means you can add a multiple node without affecting to my business also. It means, let's say where my database instance is running, and let's say I added one more instance here, let's say I added one more instance here. So when I'm adding a new node or new instance, when I'm adding new node or even removing also, when I'm removing a new node, just take an example, I'm removing existing node, I will not have any downtime also. Without any downtime, I can add new node without any downtime. You don't need to shut down a database. You don't need to shut down a database without the scalability. Scalability means I'm increasing, I'm adding a new node. I'm scaling na, I'm scaling my business. When my business is scaling, I need to scale my number of node also. Let's say I can add multiple node, you know, that's not a problem. I can add multiple node. I can add multiple node over here without any issues. Without any issues, I can add. The scalability is very, and that too horizontal scaling. Horizontal, we call it as a horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling means I have a same server, and the same server I'm increasing the resources. Like let's say I have a laptop, I have a laptop with 4 GB RAM. Of the same laptop, I increase it to the 8 GB RAM. The same laptop RAM, I increase it to the 16 GB RAM. Same laptop, I increase it to 30 GB RAM. After that, my process is saying that more than 32 GB, you cannot increase it. You cannot increase it. My laptop is having a capacity of 32 GB RAM. I cannot increase my resources more than that. I cannot do that because my processor is not supporting. So vertical scaling is having some limitations. What I can do, instead of having one server, can I have a multiple server? Yes, I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can add a multiple node. I can add multiple node. I can add multiple node without having, or without, I can do the scalability without touching to my existing environment. The existing environment will not be impacted. And since I add a new node, now my people will connect to the node number 1, node number 2, node number 3, node number 4. The people will connect from the multiple node. The people will connect from the multiple node. That's a very important feature provided by the Oracle RAC. Very important feature. You have a money. See, nothing is free of cost in this world. I'm telling you. You have a money, you'll get good feature. Who will provide that? Oracle. Which feature? High availability, scalability, load balancing, and there are many other features are there, but nothing is free of cost in this world. I'm telling you honestly. Are you able to understand, guys? Everyone, are you able to understand? Till now, whatever we discuss, is it clear? Are you able to understand? Is it clear? Clear? Fine. So there are many features are there um, which definitely I want to cover that, but again, like, within a single lecture it's not possible to cover up everything. It's very, very difficult. Again, I want to show you practically also, but today's lecture was all about the demos and all. Okay, so we are starting a new batch of Oracle Rack. Okay, those people who are interested, those people who are interested to join our paid training, you can reach out to the number which are available in the chat options. In the chat options, the numbers are already available. You can reach out to that number. You can fill up the form. You can fill up the form. So as I said, again, if you need any information, if you need information about our trainings and all, you can visit our website. This is our website. I'll just share you the website link also. If you are, I'm sharing it in the chat options. Okay, so this is our website, and these are the different trainings are there which are provided by Learnomet Technologies. We have Oracle DBA trainings are there. This is a Oracle Rack training. The complete syllabus is mentioned over here in the chat options. So we are focusing on the most important thing is like how you can install the Oracle Rack, the installation of Oracle Rack, the architecture of Oracle Rack. We are going to discuss about the ASM, which is a grid infrastructure, and we'll discuss about the administration of ASM, how to add a new node, how to apply the patch, how to upgrade the patch, what is multi-tenant architecture in the Oracle Rack environment, how to do the monitoring of the Oracle Rack by using the OEM. All these things will be discussed throughout this training. The duration will be going around 2 months. Okay, it will take 2 months to complete overall the topics that we are going to discuss. What about the timings? Obviously you will have a questions on timings. The sessions, this is the current time, by 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. the timing of the timing of these sessions will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Please convert it as per your please convert it as per your requirement. Okay, you can take care of that. Okay, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so that will be the timings. Okay, okay, so these trainings are available online also, and we can take this training offline also if we get the good number of admissions in offline. Offline is available in the Pune location. So we have, okay, you're talking about the Learnomet, we have 3 branches are there. So 2 branches are available in the Pune locations. In Pune we have a locations called Wakad, and second one is in the Bhumkar Chowk. That is also in Wakad only, nearby in Wakad only, you can consider. And there is another location like Kadewadi Fata. We called it as a Kadewadi Fata. And third location will be in Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad we have a Himayat Nagar, and there Learnomet Technologies is available. Now I'll give you some heads up about the Learnomet Technologies. If you go to our Google, and if you just search here with the Learnomet, if you go to the Google, this is our locations. Here you can see we have around 4.8 ratings are there, which are provided by the thousands of people. Okay, so you can see here, like, you can get all the reviews from here. So if you go here, you can get all the reviews, and I hope you people enjoyed the today's session. If you are not interested for paid training, no problem, but you guys can fill up our review, and this is our Kadiodi Fata. Okay, this is the locations where our reviews are available. How was the session, guys? Can you please let me know how was the session? Did you understand? Okay, so there is a questions coming like what about the last session, lab session? Yes. Okay, so yes, we have a lab sessions also available. Okay, those people who do not have a laptop or enough RAM is available, you we will provide you the lab access where you can do and start doing the practice. Okay, don't worry, the lab is free of cost for the people who are joining our session. If you find this session helpful, please fill up your review, because these reviews are very important for us. Please fill up that. Okay, at least that's what we can do. Again, I'm telling you, believe me, there are many contents are available on our YouTube channel. Many contents are available. Okay, so you guys can you guys can go through the you guys can go through the contents which are available on the YouTube channel. If you go here, many contents are available, guys. Okay, so go to the videos. Many videos are available related to the Oracle. Like today only I have discussed about how to install the Oracle 23 AI. You might be knowing about, there is a new version is available in the market, 23 AI. AI is artificial intelligence. So I discuss about how to install all that. So we have many lectures are available on our YouTube channel. Please go through that, you will definitely like it. Okay, and just one request, because you people know that how much efforts we guys are putting daily. You can see here that 1.3k videos we have uploaded. We just need a review. Like I have shared you the link. If you guys can fill up the review, that will be really helpful for me. I have shared the link in the chat options. There is a question coming from Shehzad, like recordings videos are available. Yes, we provide the recording video also. Every sessions will get recorded. Okay, every sessions. So whenever you miss any session by because of any issues, like let's say you have a shift, maybe because of family commitment, so we provide the recording also, and you can watch the recordings. Okay, the live recordings are available. Every session will get recorded and you can see the recordings also. There is a question from Charan, how much cost of OCI? Yes, OCI training, which is Oracle Cloud training, we started 2 days back only. If you guys are interested for Oracle Cloud training, you can join our Oracle Cloud training also. The for details, you can reach out to the support team. You can reach out to the number which is available. So I'll share you the number. You can reach out to this number if you have any questions related to the OCI. OCI training we started recently only. Okay. How many days in a week? We will take 4 days in a week. That is like Monday to Thursday. Okay, 4 days in a week will be there. Four days in a week. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me make you unmute. So if you have any questions regarding the trainings, you can ask me. Okay, there is a questions like guidance for OCP certification. Yes, there are many people who got who has cleared the OCP certification from our institute. So we are going to help you with the OCP certification also, and all the topics related to the OCP certification we will take care of that. Okay, we'll make sure that you guys are OCP certified. Okay, I'll take care of that, don't worry about that. Okay, and that's
Oh, yeah.
like from our side we'll do that. Yes.
Hi, Ankush. This is Mahesh Rampur from
Yes.
Kuwait. Regarding the lab, you told the labs are available, like you'll be providing access to the labs. So those labs are accessible 24/7 or like during the only class hours?
It's available 24/7.
Okay.
For till the time you have a class available.
And what is the duration of lab access? Like after the course
Months.
completion also, you can access the lab?
After the class, it will be difficult. Till the time you have sessions available, especially for 2 months, I'm saying the lab access will be available. I cannot commit, because normally what happened, because we need to provide the lab access to multiple people. Like when we start new batch now, so new batch people will also ask for the lab access, and we have a limited resources are there. So because of that only, when we are starting a new batch, we will remove the old batch access. Normally we try to do that. So till the time we are not starting our new batch, the access will be available. But minimum 2 months will be there.
Okay, understood. Great. Because why I asked is like because we are working for people and we may not have a sufficient time to practice over. So that's why I asked this question.
No, that's not a problem. The lab access is available. 24/7 it is available.
Okay. And I have talked with your support team, and I was inquiring about normal DBA course as well. Like in DBA course, can we choose particular topics only, or it is a full package we need to take?
Full package.
When is the next DBA course starting? 19C.
It's already started. Means I think the admission is already done. We are starting a new batch. I think May, yeah. I think you do one thing. You reach out to the supporting. Just check whether they have a space available
Slot.
there.
Sure.
Because we have already taken all the admissions. Just check with them,
What
or
are
I'll ask them
the
to provide you some seats. Okay, I'll take
sure.
that.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. You can reach out to the number which is available in the chat options.
Yeah, I'll speak with Harish because I spoke with Harish yesterday in the morning. I'll
Yeah,
speak with him.
I'll inform him to make sure
Sure.
that he'll get a seat there.
Thank you.
Any more questions, guys?
Yeah, hi Ankush. Like I have done training core DBA with you only, and I'm much pretty like satisfied. So like after rack, which one like I need to learn? Like Hexadata, and we have Golden Gate and OCI also. So which is like best for me?
Rack is done or not?
Sorry, what?
Your rack is completed or not?
No, rack is not completed yet.
Okay.
But like once I completed rack, then which is best?
See,
Just asking.
see, there are two options are there actually. One is like you can try for Golden Gate also, or you can try for OCI. Both way are open for you. That is completely depending upon the project to project. Okay, so OCI is also good. Golden Gate is basically a migration tool. Let's say you want to migrate your data from PostgreSQL to or some other database, or from a different database to Oracle. For that, this migration tool is important. So if you get an opportunity on migration related projects, you can start learning about the Golden Gate. Or OCI is also good. There is no problem. See, normally at certain age, you will find that you need to learn everything. So the two sequences are very important. The first sequence is Oracle DBA, the one which you already learn. After that, you can choose Oracle RAC, and after that, you can go for Exadata or OCI or maybe Golden Gate. Anything is fine. Okay, that's not a problem. But initial two phases are very important.
Hello,
Yes.
my name is Shehzad. I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Yeah. Just I will introduce myself. I'm working here as a Oracle Apps DBA. Okay. E-Business Suite DBA. Just I share one information. I mean, last week I have one interview, and just I use this interview only for this rack related course. I mean, I don't have the knowledge for the rack. Other things I have qualified. I mean, I satisfied the interviewer, but the rack is the. So this is the reason I have to join your classes. So this course is only for the beginner level or advanced level or what? I mean, interview point of view, or I mean, overall, you know the market.
No, like when I get such a type of questions now, like I'm not sure what to answer that. I'll be very honest with you, because everyone level is different. Like if you say that beginner level, my level and your level is different. My level and other people level is different. So how to say that whether it is a beginner level, how to say that whether it is a mid level, I don't know. Uh, what I try to do, like, whatever knowledge I'm having, I try to explain that. So that's the best knowledge which I'm having. So I don't know whether it is a beginner level or whether it is a mid scale or maybe it is a high level. My main intention whenever I'm discussing about the trainings and all, or whenever I'm taking a sessions, to make sure that whatever things I know, I will put my 100% so that everyone will understand that. Now you decide your bracket, whether you understand it as a beginner, medium level, or high level, whatever it is. So that's how I try, because everyone is having their different level, like we cannot say that.
Hi, Ankush.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Najesh Manu.
Yes, sir.
So I have one question regarding can we configure the rack on the private network?
What do you say? Technical
Can we
questions
con-
we'll take it in the class. Okay.
Can we install
Technical
the
questions.
rack on the private network?
We'll take all the technical questions in the yeah. Today's the main agenda is for the specific to the trainings.
So this rack classes you are mentioning, you were showing us in the Oracle VMs or what?
Oracle VM, correct? Virtual box
Oracle
VM.
VM.
Yeah, Oracle VM only. No, not Oracle
And
VM. It is
Oracle Linux 8.
Yes, Linux.
Linux 8.
Hello.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, Santosh.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, this is Uttaradi Malapati. I am working as a Oracle DBA. Oh, I need to learn Oracle Rack also.
Did you join
What is the
Oracle
time?
DB? You said?
Yes, I have knowledge on Oracle DBA.
Okay, you have a knowledge
I
on
need to
Oracle.
learn Rack.
Okay.
What is the time duration of Rack?
7 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is the time, current time.
Duration, course duration,
Duration will be 2 months.
2 months. How much fees?
Fees you can discuss with the team. The numbers are available.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Are you providing the lab assistance also?
We'll do that. We'll provide the lab access.
Lab access. Okay. How many months? Lab access.
2 months.
Only 2 months. After we need to practice anything.
No, recording access will be there for 1 year. Okay.
Recording access will be there in 1 year.
Yes. Someone asked the question in the chat also. The recording access is available for 1 year. Okay. Everyone.
1 year. Okay. Is there any lab assistance? So if you have any doubts, is there? Is anybody?
Now we have a dedicated support team is there. Whenever you have any questions, even after the class, you can reach out to the support team. Dedicated support team is there. You can ask the questions in the support team. We will take care of that. Okay. Even I am the part of that
Can I
group.
have a support team number?
Hmm?
Can I have a support team number?
Okay, thank you, Ankush.
Support team number.
Yes, please. Next, please.
Yeah. So again, Mahesh here, Ankush. This when you say support team, their technical interactive sessions can be done with their support team, right?
Technical means I didn't get that. What do you mean?
Like any technical means issues. We want to clarify some doubts. or something.
Whenever you have any issues are there, okay. Let's say I'm talking about any particular session.
Yeah.
And let's say I'm doing patching activity and you got stuck somewhere. Okay. You can reach out to the support team. They will take your control and they will fix the issue.
Yeah, and even they'll clarify our doubts, right? If I want to clarify something, so in the particular the technical things.
You can do that, okay, but they will not be able to clear the things which are coming your product. Like they will not taking your control, where we will take your production environment, not like that. Okay.
No, not our product. I'm primarily talking about the course perspective, not about our work perspective.
No, don't worry about that. You can ask, even you can ask to me in the class. I'm there.
Okay. And when you say your recording sessions, the same class recording sessions are available, or are there
Same sessions, same
missed sessions will be?
Yes. It's a live sessions, not the one which we edited and all. It's a live sessions. Recording will be available.
Okay. Well, then I understood that, but what I want to clarify is that the same group, the class starting from tomorrow, the same sessions will be available for us. Correct?
Yes, the session. See, normally like this. Let's say I have taken my class now. After 2-3 hours, it will take to upload the sessions. It will be available.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So
Hi.
for this, we have the separate RAC WhatsApp group, and all the student who is
Yes,
involved
yes, yes.
enrolled with.
Yeah, yeah. There will
Uh,
be paid group will be there, and
no,
um,
for this specific this training,
yes, yes,
for
yes.
this training.
For RAG, there is a
Mhm.
separate group. For Oracle DB, there is a separate group. For Golden Gate, there is a separate group. Everything is separate, separate, separate.
Yeah. Hi, Ankush. Very good evening.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. So today's session is for the demo session. So
Kind of demo.
yeah. So when you will be like start for the class, like for tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
From tomorrow only we'll start.
Sure. So, yeah. Thanks a lot.
So it's a 1 hour session or more
1
than
hour,
1 hour?
1 hour.
Mean
It will be
1 hour.
sometime it will be extended. Depend. Like if I'm starting my depend. Okay, but mostly it's 1 hour. You consider like that.
Yeah, any other
Monday to
batch you're
Monday
starting
to
for
Thursday.
weekend?
Weekend we do not have any batch. Like I want to take some rest.
So only rack means only one particular this session will be there. The class.
Yes, yes.
You don't have
See,
multiple rack sessions.
no, no, no. If you are not joining this batch, the next batch will be after 6 months directly.
Okay.
Because last batch we started in December, and after that I'm starting this one. So
All right, Ankush. Thank you very much, Ankush. I'm just dropping off. See you tomorrow.
yeah,
I'll talk.
thanks.
I'll
Thank
get in touch with your support team. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
sure.
It was
Thanks.
nice interactive session as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please fill up the review, guys, about these today's sessions. I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay. See, you be the part of paid training or not, that's not a problem. Okay. The main important thing is if you guys are spending your 1 hour, the thing should be clear to you. Okay. I know that if you're not joining today, tomorrow you will join with the higher fees, but you will be the part of Learn. So second thing is that there are many good contents are available on our YouTube channel. You will definitely like that. Okay, you can follow us on our Insta, on our LinkedIn. Okay, and be the part of it. If you want I'll share my LinkedIn profile also. You guys can be the part of my LinkedIn profile. I'll just share my profile so you guys can, if you guys want to follow me, you can follow me on LinkedIn. So I'm okay. All right. So where I can share, how to share my profile, man? Okay, I'll just directly click here. You guys can follow me from here. I'll put it in the chat options. Okay, so you guys can follow me from here. You can also follow us our Insta profile. Okay, and fine. Okay, all good. Everything is fine. Let's connect tomorrow, and we'll continue this Oracle Rack environment lectures. And again, from tomorrow, everything will be practical. Yes.
Where we find the course content, all the details.
You can go to our website here. I'll share you the link. There is a click on the trainings and the Rack DBA training is mentioned there. The link is available in the chat options. You can click there and you can get it from there. Okay. Fine. Thank you. And please share your review. These reviews are very important for me. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. And see you in the next class. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Ankush.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ankush.